I'm Taylor Cacciola, one of the co-founders at Namra Consulting Group. We're a local digital marketing agency that specializes in social media management, marketing, advertising, and content creation. I'm one of the lead marketing consultants. So I work with local businesses, figure out what are their major problems, who's their target audience, how we can help reach that audience and get new business. My favorite part of the job is every single day, it's something very, very different. We've worked with like 100 different industries and types of businesses over the past 5 or 6 years. So every single new client presents a whole new set of problems for us to solve. And it lets us be really creative, never gets boring, and it's just honestly a lot of fun. It takes time. And we set that time up aside right on our launch day, which is how we handle onboarding. We have like a 50-point checklist that we go through every single time we take on a new client to learn about you, your voice, your messaging strategy, who you are as a business, and then learn about the services that you guys offer, who the target audience is, what are their pain points, how can we solve those pain points, and how we can create content around those solutions to actually have a whole content mix for a whole year. And really, it comes down to communication. Our team is really good at communicating with you and your business because you're the expert, and we're here to help take that knowledge and get it out there on social media. If you have a really conservative budget, the first thing we want you to know is we're a boutique agency. There's no, gold, silver, bronze tier packages. There's no cookie cutter service offerings. What we do is we problem solve. We work with you around your budget and give you the services that you need. Obviously, if you have a small budget, we can't do everything, but what we'll do is optimize that budget and give you what is gonna get you 80% of the value and what's gonna give you the most return if you have $1, what's the most valuable thing that we can do with that $1. And we really care about optimizing those budgets because we specialize in working with small local businesses so that they can grow with us. I think that's a big thing to note. We are consultants first and foremost. We're not salesmen. There's no big conglomerate behind us. We're a local agency that starts with consulting, and we never sell. If we don't do what's in your best interest that's going to win you business, this is not going to be a very good long-term relationship. We're really proud of the relationships we've built over the past 5, 6 years, and we love the fact that we still work with clients from when we first started in business because they're growing with us. And we know if we do what's right for you in your business to grow, that it's going to work out for us as well. If you're a business owner in Rhode Island, Connecticut, Massachusetts, or any surrounding areas, I want to invite you to come check out our studio in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. We have a 1,300 square foot open concept recording studio. That's where we're at right now. But if you aren't local, you can also jump on a Zoom call with us anytime. Happy to speak with you about how we might be able to help grow your business.